Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Angry Birds app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, just go down here, click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Angry Birds app, or just click on search. Then here at Angry Birds app, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click here on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, you click here on, you search here for Angry Birds so app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.